how to know the lowest lot size on indexes. What you're going to do firstly is select the index you want to trade, open the index charts, right? Tap on your screen, click on trade. The lowest lot size on V50 index is 4 lot size. How do we know? Tap on the index, right? Tap on the lot size, clear it, go back, tap on the screen again, click on trade, right? It's 4 lots, it's back at 4 lots. Now, how do you know the lowest lot size on V101S index? Select the V101S index, tap on your screen, click on trade. Now is at 4 lots, which is the lowest lot on 50 index, which was the previous index we selected. So this is the mistake most traders make. They fail to clear the previous lot size and they go ahead placing trade with the previous lot size on a different index. So what you have to do is just click on the lot size on the new index you opened, clear the lot size, go back, tap on your screen, click on trade again. You can see it's now on 0.5 lots, which is the lowest lot size on V101S index. Right now, let's check the lowest lot size on step index. Remember, the previous lot size was V101S index and the lowest lot was 0.5. Right now, let's check step index. Open step index charts, tap on it, click on trade. Now, is 0.5 the lowest lot size on step index? We don't really know. So all we have to do is clean it. Remember, 0.5 was the lowest lot size on V101S index. Now, click on the lot size again, clear it, go back, click on trade. You can see 0.1, which is the lowest lot size on step index. So always do this thing so you don't make mistake of using the previous lot size on a different index, which may happen to be a very big lot size and you'll end up incurring losses. So hope you guys learn from this. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Peace.